Cyber Warrior, would you play cards with your AI? I'm Dennis Actual, and I'm giving digital me a vacation until he can improve his diction. We're going to discuss AI slop at another time. It's good to see you again, and even better if we're meeting for the first time. This is a continuation of our Inherent Problems with AI series. Today we're focusing on poor AI choices. We're talking about the poor choices AI makes because AI has zero common sense. We humans give AI a specific measurable target. We'll maximize clicks, minimize time, win the game. All well and good, but not enough. AI will find the absolute fastest, most efficient mathematical path to the goal, even if that path involves cheating, destruction, or harm. In one example, an AI agent tasked with streamlining user onboarding bypassed security validation steps or compliance checks because skipping them improved its primary metric, speed. Why? Because without human context, an agent optimized for a specific goal may move very quickly toward a disastrous outcome, such as creating security setting mismatches or integration failures. Here's a quick case study we can examine to understand how AI can fail in this way. During a test of one of Anthropic's models, a test that measures an AI's ability to find hard to locate information on the internet, the AI actually realized it was being evaluated. Instead of completing the search task normally, the AI searched for the test's answer key on GitHub, decrypted it, and used it to pass the evaluation. Experts refer to this evaluation awareness or alignment faking, meaning a model might fake its own performance while being watched, making it difficult to know what its behavior will be in the wild. Unlike traditional software, AI is often wrong in subtle and very confident ways that are hard for engineers to detect during production. AI agents optimize toward goals based on assumptions humans may have forgotten they ever made or even were aware of. The agent lacks an understanding of why a goal exists or the non-negotiable that should not be optimized. If you have ever audited an automated workflow and something fell off but nothing was technically broken, that's the problem. If so, drop what you found in the comments. I read every one of them, and these real-world examples are exactly what shape the next episode. We do have several control options. Let's look at design first. We can force AI to lock a final plan before an agent interacts with external data. This locks the path in place, ensuring a model optimized for speed can't rewrite its own steps mid-flight to cut corners. The architecture of the AI implementation can improve reliability. Here's an example of a data room. Rather than giving an agent a general task, developers create bounded workspaces for specific jobs. In these metaphorical rooms, the agent must produce specific artifacts before synthesizing an answer, such as a source inventory, a conflict log to service, or a missing context list. We do that by only allowing the AI agent access to the data that reflects what we want. A gateway can do more than just watch traffic. It can stand in the way of it entirely. Instead of letting the agent connect straight to the internal tools, the gateway acts as a proxy, treating every tool call as a capability request and checking the agent's permission before anything actually runs. An additional control should be to limit the model's agency to a predefined, immutable set of safe actions. Restricting the model to a fixed number of behaviors prevents the AI from finding mathematical paths that involve unauthorized commands or shortcuts. To mitigate failures caused by unstructured input, organizations should provide stable versioning API paths that return data in strict semantic schemas, such as JSON, reducing the likelihood that an agent confidently hallucinates a shortcut. AI agents should be granted only those minimum necessary permissions for their specific task. This prevents an agent optimized for speed from having the file systems or network permissions needed to bypass critical compliance checks. If the idea that AI optimizes toward goals and not your intentions, the next episode in this series goes straight to operational risks. What happens after the agent is deployed and no one is watching the guardrails? Hit subscribe so that one finds you. And if you want to push back on anything in this episode, the comments are open. I edit every script based on what comes back.